Bingo Cash points usually stop loading because the app can't sync your account with its servers, even though the rest of the app may still open normally. By the end of this video, you'll know how to restore your points, check whether the issue is on your device or Bingo Cash's servers, and avoid losing your progress. Start by pulling down on the points or home screen to refresh the app, if that option is available. If nothing changes, completely close Bingo Cash from your recent apps and open it again. A fresh connection often reloads account information that failed to sync during the previous session. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, then reopen the app. If you're using a VPN or private DNS service, turn it off temporarily because it can interfere with the connection between your device and Bingo Cash's servers. Now, check for updates. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Bingo Cash, and install the latest version if one is available. New updates frequently fix synchronization problems that affect account balances and reward points. If you're using Android, open Settings, go to iCaps, select Bingo Cache, tap eStorage, and choose Clear Caching. Cached files can become outdated and prevent fresh account data from loading. If the problem continues, clearing app data is another option, but you'll need to log back into your account afterward. On iPhone, uninstalling and reinstalling the app is the easiest way to replace corrupted files, because iOS doesn't include a separate cache clearing option. Another thing to verify is that you're signed into the correct account. If you accidentally logged in with a different email address or sign-in method, the app may display a different profile with no points or rewards. If you've recently completed an offer, referral, or another activity that earns points, remember that rewards may not appear instantly. Give the app a little time, then refresh your account again before assuming the points are missing. If none of these steps work, check whether Bingo Cash is experiencing server maintenance or temporary outages. During server issues, point balances may not load correctly for any user until service is restored. Finally, contact Bingo Cash support if your points remain missing after the servers are back online. Include your account information and explain when the points disappeared so the support team can review your account history. To recap, refresh the app, restart Bingo Cash, switch networks, update the app, clear the cache or reinstall it. Verify you're using the correct account, and check for server issues before contacting support. Work through those steps one by one, since they're the most common fixes for points that won't load. If this guide helped, like the video, and subscribe for more quick app fixes.